Assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna show you guys and share how you can make your own honey. You can make your own syrup for the sweets that we use through Ramadan. Here I have cinnamon sticks. I got the anise flour, and I got one whole lemon. I cut it into squares, circles like this. And I got 1 kilogram and 1 kilogram 81 sugar. I got 4/4 of water, which is 4 cups of water, which is 1 liter water. But I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar to make it 2 kilograms exact. So we got the sugar. بسم الله على بركة الله. عندنا السكر. هذا هو السيروب للشباكية أو العسل للشباكية. homemade syrup or homemade honey. So بسم الله على بركة الله. I will pour my sugar into my pot. I will put my 2 sticks of cinnamon stick and my anise in there. I will put my lemon, my circles of lemon. All 4 of them. We leave this, and I'm going to use, of course, the water. Bismillah. هادو هما المكونات باش كنصنعوا عسل للمشبك او الشباكية او اي شيء تحلية تحلوا بها حلويات الرمضانية. Ramadan Kareem to everyone. Turn it on and let it cook for at least 1 hour. Chebakia is basically a sweet or a delight that we have for breaking our fast. إخوتي في الله، شباكية غنية عن التعريف. مرحبا بكم وخليكم معي ونبدأ بسم الله على بركة الله. We have flour. I have my flour. Bismillah. I got about 2.5 pounds of flour in here, guys. About 2.5 pounds. Sorry about that. Little accidents. I have balsam water. I have 1 egg, 1 pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I got masticator. I got 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I got some water to use for my dough. I got 1 exact glass of half a cup of olive oil. I got anise seed and sweet anise. There is a large one and a small one. Anyway, I toasted them and grounded them. I got sesame seed for decorating, and I got sesame seed grounded. This is sesame seed grounded together. I'm gonna use that as well.
Okay, Bismillah. I'm gonna use all this in there, the anise grounded into powder. I'm gonna use my sesame seed as well, grounded to powder. Pour everything in there. My pinch of salt, my baking powder, my cinnamon. This is already washed, so I crack it open. This is how I measure. I pour it in here as well. And this is the exact amount of, this is how I make it. It's actually my ancestor way. We crack the egg, empty it in there, we fill it up with vinegar, and we put it in there as well. That's it, purpose done. We have our olive oil. We got the butter. I'm gonna use 8 tablespoons of butter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna use mazhar, what we call the balsam water. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spoons should do it. Alright. Bismillah, ala barakatillah. نبدأ. Bismillah.
We have got our dough. You see, guys? See the color? Keep working. There's a lot of waiting, so I'm gonna make four circles equally. Okay, I'm gonna close this and leave it for at least 20 minutes so our dough will be ready to work on, create and shape them. 20 minutes, guys. See you then. Okay, now 4-inch, guys. I think 4 inches is a little long. I'm gonna go to 3.5 inch. 3.5 inch. I'm gonna cut by 3.5 inches. 3.5 inch. 3.5 inch.
Mommy, how much longer on the chicken? Because I'm about to go over your house.
3.5 inch. All right. And same thing as what I showed you guys before. So I take these individuals, see, and I have made them 4.5 inch, 4.5 inch. So 1, 2, 3.
Mama, how do I get to that place we went to during the summer? It's like a beach.
There it is. Just like this. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now guys, I'm doing this because it's easy. It's easier to shape it. You see? Easy to shape our Chebakia.
Same thing, guys. You just keep going. Same pattern. See that? Even though I did cut them, they don't come easy out. So 1, 3, 4. You cut the ends, shape it again, and here it is. And this is the best way for the people that does not know how to fold Chebakia. This is really the idea, and it's easy. Anyone can make Chebakia. Put the dough together, make 4 little lines, and put them together. That's it. 3, 4, 4. Sorry about that, you guys. I have kids in the house.
Cut the unwanted ends, and there we go. This might look like a lot of work for some of you, but it really is worth it. You make it only one time, you make a lot. Come on. See, this is how it looks. Beautiful, absolute stunning. So when I pull them out of the honey, I put them in here before I put them in the plate.